Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade options on ThinkOrSwim mobile app like a pro. So first, let's say we want to buy contracts for the SP500 or SPY. First, search for SPY. Once it loads, you will see a chart view. This is my setup using a 1-minute time frame. Let's say you finished your TA and pick the direction for SPY. Head to the options tab. There, you will see columns of data. If you use ThinkOrSwim on desktop, the info is the same, just laid out differently. You will see calls, puts, and expiration dates. Let's choose this date for example. Tap the drop down, calls are on the left, puts on the right, and the money contracts are in blue. The out of the money options are on the opposite side. Strike price rundown the middle. Let's say we want to go long on SPY. Tap the ask price under calls. Since we expect SPY to rise, you will see 2.52, meaning the 551 strike is priced at $252. Select an ask price and click on it. When selecting a contract to buy, avoid tapping on the bid prices, as those are for sell orders, which you don't want unless you own the contract. Stick with the ask prices to place your buy order. Let's instead choose the 549 strike for a higher chances of getting filled. Tap the ask price, it's $399. You will see a +10, the default quantity. Tap next. Now adjust how many contracts to buy and the price to pay. Choose between a limit or market order. If market, change it to market. If limit, change it to limit. I want to pay less. The bid is $384. Ask is $399. I'll use the mid price at $384. Set the quantity to 1. Confirm it's a buy order for one contract. Check if you have the 549 call expiring on this date. Review the contract details. Cost should be $384. Matching the limit position effects should show to open once confirmed. Tap review. This page gives you final confirmation, and so here you will see SPY 549. Call on this date. Max profit might show infinite or 6. What matters is your max loss match the contract price. We set the limit at $384, so that's our max loss. There is a commission to it, 65 cents plus 1 cent, so 66 cents total. Fee breakdown is shown below. Now send the order. Tap view order. You will see the order is working. If filled, it moves to filled. Limit orders may not fill right away. Once filled, it updates to see status working, filled or cancelled. Go to more, then orders. If the entry price is too low, it might not get filled. In that case, tap the order, then cancel and replace. Let's replace. Raise the limit to $390, tap review, then send. Now it should show as working. If it's still not filled, use a market order if you want it to fill quickly. Let's walk through it again. Under overview, watch list or trade, search the ticker, search for SPY again. Now we're back. You will see charts, news, option, and level 2 tab options. Pick an expiration date, then a strike. Tap the ask side under calls. Tap next. Change quantity to 1. Set to market order. Tap review. Confirm the contract, then send. You will see the order got filled, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.